Well, when you solve a problem, it makes you feel good. Just the experience of doing it, I guess, and programming and figuring things out. My name's Lonnie Jones, and I'm a machinist. I've worked here for about 26 years. I started it right after high school. They're super guys to work with, have no problem. I've got 3 kids, and then I've got 2 stepdaughters and a stepson, and I've got 5 grandchildren and 2 great-grandchildren. And I'm getting ready to retire. I'm going to work through January, and then I'm thinking of retiring then. I've liked it. It's been great.